Hello, this is video number 2 of the Apache Tears purse. Now, I'm going to show you how to do 2 things here. One is how to make a magic knot to change colors. Otherwise, you could just cut and leave your yarn hanging to tie in later. But I don't like to do that. I don't like to have a lot of strings hanging when I'm done. So what I found is that I can figure out exactly, or pretty close to exactly, what I need, and I can cut and attach and then continue on in the correct color. So what I found is that when I'm just doing a regular single crochet, if I stop 2 stitches before I want the color change, and I want the color change right for this tier, if I stop 2 stitches before that, I'm just going to insert my crochet hook, and then I'm going to leave about a 4-inch piece here, 4 or 5-inch piece, cut. And my next color is going to be a blue. So I'm going to take the end of my blue and I'm going to do a magic knot. Now, some of you may be familiar with a magic knot, some not. So watch carefully if you think you want to try this. Otherwise, look up magic knot on YouTube and you under knitting or just any kind of crafting, and you should find it. So the new color is going to go under the old color, new color under the old color, and then wrap and tie just once, pull tight. So there's the first one. Then the old color is going to go under the new color and around and wrap just once, pull tight, making sure not to leave too much left here. Don't want to waste too much of that old color. Then we're going to pull tight, and because this is a magic knot, we can trim really close to the knot. So there's that and that. Now, we are on the corner of where I started. That's what the little orange marker is for. So I didn't want to do a brown tier here. I wanted to do the next tier in the next color so that I keep my color change right at this point, right in the same vicinity as this marker, so that my color changing doesn't keep moving to the left and get all mixed up. We don't want to do more than 1 row of a color. So I can kind of feel how much I need here of the old color. I'll either do a little looser stitch or a little tighter stitch so that when I'm ready to do the tier, there's my knot right there, right in the spot where I want it. So now with the new color, and you can see my last magic knot right there, I will be covering that with this tier, so that comes in handy. Wrap, and then go down 3 colors, which would be the turquoise here. I have to kind of dig with it, dig for it. Sometimes they're a little tight. Get under that left leg. Complete your triple crochet. Now, you do have a little brown loop there. I maybe could have ended my other color a little quicker, but so be it. All right, so on the back here, you have the turquoise one that I was working into before. You have the Apache tier stitch right there, and your next one is going to be right here. So now we're going to continue around with this color all the way around until you, so on the next round, we will have already done a tier in this color. And what we'll do is we'll end here, stop here, cut, add the new color, complete 2 single crochets, and then the tier will be in the new color. And in that way, you're keeping your beginning right in the same spot. And then I keep moving my marker up so that I don't mistake approximately where it is. And I keep checking back to the bottom, which is right here, this bottom corner. I keep checking back there and kind of counting up and finding all my stitches where I switched to make sure I'm staying approximately in the right spot. So look for video number 3 of the Apache Tears Purse. And that one we're going to talk about increasing and decreasing stitches. Bye for now.